Welcome back to our fourth segment in our 7-pillar series. This is a great follow-up to last week's, which was legacy planning. This week, we're going to talk about tax planning. And so similarly, it's all about maximizing your situation. And when you sit down with your accountant and you do your taxes every year, a lot of times the focus is on how much can you save now? What can you save me this year? And that's great. Make sure you're maximizing your HSA, contributing to your retirement accounts. But tax planning is really about a long-term strategy. And it's the impact it can have on your life over the course of your entire life. And I'm going to give you 3 different situations in which a long-term tax strategy can have a significant impact. And so if any of these are relevant to you, make sure that you have a long-term tax strategy in place and you're not just looking at what can I save this year. And that first one is really simple, and I think it hits a lot of people. If you're planning on retiring before you're age 65 and Medicare eligible, there are ways you can potentially save a lot of money on healthcare costs. The second one is if you're a small business owner and you're looking at selling your business down the road. There are ways we can strategize ahead of time to minimize that tax impact in the year of your sale. And the third one is simply looking at your retirement strategy. How much do you make now versus how much are you going to need in income in the future when you're retired? And are there ways we can put off money that we pay taxes on now? Or maybe we want to pay more in taxes now because of our tax situation down the road. Those are the 3 areas that are pretty common in a lot of our clients. And if they ring true to where you're at, you should be looking at a long-term tax planning strategy. And if you need help with that, that's what we're here for. We actually have a strategic partnership with a full-service tax and accounting firm, Preview Tax and Accounting, so that we can make sure we're looking at the long-term picture of your tax situation, not just how much can we save in this year. And if you have a trusted partner, a trusted professional that you are currently working with, we'll work with them too. But let's not make sure that we're maximizing your situation. And speaking of cash flow, our segment next week is on cash management. So we look forward to seeing you next week.